ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟಾರಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಇದು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬೇಡ ಬಂತ ಕತ್ತಿ
ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು
ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಕುಯ್ದು ಕೊಡ್ರ
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ वक्रतुंड सर्वकर्ण हिरण्यस्कंद पूजा षोडशैतानि नामानि यः पठेश्वर्यादवे विद्यारम्भैवाहि च प्रवेशे निर्गमोतता संग्रामे सर्वकालेषु एतद्धर्म प्रधान देवताभ्यम अभिर्नमस्तु ओम सुमुखाय नमः एकदन्ताय नमः कपिलाय नमः भुजकर्णिकाय नमः लम्बोदराय नमः एकथैव यजमानः आयुस्तेजो ददाति ओम अर्चतप्रार्चतप्रियमेधास्त्वार्चतात्यन्तपुत्रका वेदकमङ्गलसरि नर्मदे सिन्धुकावेरि जलेऽस्मिन् कुरु ओम भूः वरुणम् आवाहयामि ओम भुवः वरुणम् आवाहयामि ओम भूर्भुवः वरुणम् आधारविन्दयोपाद्यं पाद्यं तमर्पयामि ओम अर्चतप्रार्चतप्रियमेधास्त्वार्चतात्यन्तपुत्रका
ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ
ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾ
शतमानं भवति शतायुषि दीर्घमायुः पीछे या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्ते 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 नमो या देवी विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्ते
ಬರೀ
ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್
Today is World Elephant Day. August 12 is celebrated as World Elephant Day. The importance is to raise awareness, create awareness among the public about the importance of elephants, its role in the environment and forest, and its conservation importance. So the main theme for this year is bringing together the world for the betterment or better of elephants, conservation of elephants. So on this occasion in Sakrabail Elephant, since the camp is closed as of now, we have celebrated the World Elephant Day in the kraal area by doing puja to the elephants and giving special food and other items to the elephants. So on this occasion, I urge people to save the forest and environment for betterment and better conservation of the elephants. Thank you.
Public awareness taken by your side in elephant camp.
So the elephant camp itself is an educational place to create awareness about the conservation of elephants. So the camp established with the purpose of nature education to create public awareness.
Sir, regarding Vikrant, Adka Badka, 4 elephants, health condition.
So now the Vikrant is doing good now. The health has improved. It's the leg is improving. It's in healing stage. Adka Badka is completely good in good condition. It's going to the forest and coming to the forest. There is no issue with the Adka Badka elephants. There are 2 elephants presently in the mast, and there is no other elephants. All elephants. Sagar was having a small injury, so now it's in good condition. No issues.
Sir, when will reopen to the
We are planning to reopen by this month end by installing the barricades. Double barricades were already installed to avoid the entry of the public into the bathing area. We have installed the barricades, and further we have installed some security CCTV cameras also. So we are planning to open the camp within this month.
what activities for people?
Now only it is viewing of elephants from the far place. So because of the SOP, there are restrictions to give bath to elephant. So it is only viewing the elephants.
Thank you.